Okay, before we take you through the headlines, some breaking news coming in about Russia, China and Pakistan agreeing to work together to get Afghanistan Taliban individuals delisted from the UN sanctions list. The statement indicates that Russia, China, as permanent members of the United Nations Security Council, reaffirmed their readiness for flexible approaches to the prospect of excluding certain individuals from the list of sanctioned persons as part of efforts to promote a peaceful dialogue between Kabul and the Taliban movement. That's the news that we have just received, with Pakistan, China agreeing to remove those certain people on that list. This was the third round of trilateral consultations on regional issues, with the focus largely being on Afghanistan. Kabul, in fact, was not invited to any of the meetings. But let's just understand this in detail from Executive Editor, India Today, Gaurav Sawant. Gaurav, just explain to us, who are these certain individuals that the three nations have come together to in agreement to remove from that list?
China, Pakistan and Russia are trying out a new experiment. China and Russia being permanent members of the UN Security Council, they're trying to make that distinction following Pakistan's line of good Taliban and bad Taliban, good terrorists and bad terrorists. They're trying to get certain individuals who are not on the sanctions list of the United Nations Security Council to talk to those elements, to bring them on the negotiation table for rapprochement, for peace in Afghanistan. But instead of this being an Afghan-led initiative, what is extremely significant here is that Afghanistan is not party to this dialogue. This is Russia, China and Pakistan initiative with absolutely no Afghanistan on this. And recently, one news that came forward said that Norway was dealing with certain Afghan Taliban, including members of Mullah Omar's group, trying to get them on the table. But United States operations against the Taliban in Afghanistan put, there was a major setback to that effort. So there are several strands that are working, but India has all along said, for any initiative to succeed in Afghanistan, it has to be an Afghan-led initiative, which this is not.
All right, Gaurav, thanks so much for joining us.